Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix an HP laptop that keeps stuttering down and using easy and effective solutions.
Fix 1. Check overheating issues. Step 1. Turn off the laptop and unplug it. Step 2. Clean air vents using compressed air. Step 3. Use the laptop on a flat, hard surface, not bed or sofa. Fix 2. Update Windows and drivers. Step 1. Press Windows plus I open settings. Step 2. Go to Windows Update, click Check for updates. Step 3. Restart the laptop after updates install. Fix 3. Check battery health. Step 1. Press Windows plus X, select Device Manager. Step 2. Expand batteries, right. Click Microsoft ACPI battery. Step 3. Click Disable, restart, then enable it again. Fix 4. Scan for virus or malware. Step 1. Open Windows Security. Step 2. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Step 3. Run a full scan. Fix 5. Change power settings. Step 1. Open Control Panel Power Options. Step 2. Select Balanced or High Performance. Step 3. Click Change Plans Settings. Set Sleep to Never. Fix 6. Check charger and power cable. Step 1. Plug the charger directly into the wall socket. Step 2. Try a different HP compatible charger if possible. Step 3. Avoid loose or damaged cables.